Hey guys, welcome back to Rides and Bullies. It's been a while since I got back to the channel. I've been really busy working on the shop. We haven't properly opened yet, so we're just making some adjustments and fixtures left and right, and a lot of stocks are coming in. So I'm excited today because we just came from customs because the muffler for the Yamaha R6 just arrived. It's been what, 2-3 months of shipping. I don't know what's happening, but we just got off customs earlier, so we paid lots of money just to get that thing out. That's an Akrapovic full system titanium from the headers down to the mid pipe and then end can. So this is my Yamaha R6 I'm actually working on because I'm putting some top carbon fiber parts on it, protection as far as aesthetics concerned as well, and of course protection, and it's a different look, so it's gonna be looking good. So next week when we do our proper opening, we're gonna do a tour from the shop with everything that you see here, so that you'll see what's going on inside and out. So I'm excited because I need to unbox this thing, and you should be with me. So let's go. Okay guys, so here we go. Just started cutting this one, so we're gonna unbox it. So we're gonna do this, taking it slow, bear with me. Yep. So this is Akrapovic full system for Yamaha R6. We got it straight from the Akrapovic.com. So value now is almost $2,000. Yes, so we have to pay for shipping, and then the taxes here are crazy. It was about almost 40% of the total value, so you do the math. But yep, you pay for quality. This is what you get. Again, this is not for my bike. I already have SE project on my bike. This is the unboxing of the Akrapovic full system, and it's gonna be placed here behind me so that our clients can see. But if I go cuckoo, I might put this on my bike. So okay, come closer. Yeah, here. All right, this is the mid elbow pipe. Yep. There we go. Yep. And for the oxygen sensor, cool, it has a safety wire. All right. Here we go. Yeah, this two of the headers. Yep. Be careful cutting it, or else I might cut through to the steel. No, it's a no-no. Oh my goodness, that is so beautiful. So lightweight. Goodness. Beautiful. So that's the first two. And put it here. And the next two. Here you go. So that's gonna connect the other one. There's a tube, I'm sure, yeah, it's the tube right there. It's gonna connect this to the other exhaust header earlier. And these are the springs. You can see the springs, a lot of them. So also the reason why we're opening this is we need to check if the whole thing is complete, and number two, we check that there are no dings, there are no dongs, there are no dents elsewhere. So far, it's really clean and looks super awesome. It's really nice. So this is the other one. Let's look at the one that connects them together. I know this is the silencer, actually. Okay. Oops. Yep. Here we go. Yeah. So we have the manuals and the definitions, instructions on how to install it. You can see. Yep. Here we go. What's this? The brackets, tubes, the bushings. Here we go. Installation documents. So you can see Yamaha R6, YZF R6, Racing and Evolution. All right. Okay, so here's the pipe.
Okay.
Look at that. Oh, that is so beautiful. Woo! Beautiful. Okay. Look at that. It's like ice cream melting on my hand. Oh, that's so beautiful. Yep. That's beautiful. See? Here we go, the back. It has carbon fiber muffler heat guard. Yep. So beautiful. So yeah. Whoever's gonna get this, good luck. It's gonna give additional torque to your bike, definitely the good looks on your bike. There's weight reduction on your bike as well. Of course, not to mention the music to the ears. 4-cylinder, full system, Akrapovic sound on it. It's gonna be crazy. So yeah, that's it for now. We're gonna be opening something else, and it's gonna be for Ducati V4 on the next episode. So thank you again for being with me here. So once again, this is the full system of a Yamaha R6 that we'll be displaying here. If you guys are free, I'm just in C5 Pasig along C5. That's 05 Racing, like this, 05 Racing Depot, BikeSpa. Thank you for watching, guys. Rides and Bullies. I'll see you again next time.